Hey, welcome, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload an image and also get it into your game if you want to. So first what you want to do is go to create. I'm at the home page right now. You want to go to the create page, so I'm just going to click create. Next, you want to decide whether you want to upload it under a group or your own page. If you want to upload it under a group, you can click on the group you want to upload it to, but make sure you have privileges to upload assets to that. I'm just going to upload mine under my own profile, so I'm going to just have it on my name still. So what you also want to do next is go over to development items and then click on decals. Here is where we're going to upload it. You can either drag and drop media here to upload, or you can click on upload a set. Make sure the format is either JPG, PNG, TGA, or BMP, and make sure it doesn't exceed 20 megabytes. So first I'm going to show you what it looks like if you click upload a set. It's just going to have it where you're going to upload your image. If you click upload, it's going to bring you to your files and you can click your image there and upload it to this, and then click upload when you're done. If you want to drag and drop, is which I'm going to do for this, I'm going to drag my file over and release it here. And it's automatically going to take me back to the screen with my image here. And I'm just going to upload it like this. Monkey city image. This is what I'm going to change my name to. You can change your name and description to whatever you want. Just make sure it's appropriate. I'm going to click upload. And it's going to upload it. And right here, it might take a little bit for it to load up here, but it's because Roblox is going to be verifying to make sure your image is safe for the platform. But once it's uploaded, you can click on it. It'll show your image here and all the stuff for it. But we want to go to our URL here, and we want to copy our image ID or decal ID by clicking on our URL and double clicking the number. We're going to copy this and we're going to use this to put it into the game. So I already have Roblox Studio open, so I'm going to go to a base plate that I've already created. Make sure your properties and Explorer are open for this. To get those open if you want. You can go to View and then Properties Explorer. You can toggle them off, on and off like this. Next, I'm going to insert a part in, and I'm going to resize it. I'm going to show you here why in a second. And I'm going to press the plus on the right side of my part, and then put in a decal. And as you see in properties, I'm going to go to texture and then click on the box and then paste in the number that we had before. And it'll put in my image. And yeah, you don't have to worry about these other properties. One that might be useful is the face. For example, I want to change it to the left face of the image. And if you do this, remember that the decal is going to scale to the face that it's on. So if I put it on like the front again, if I change the size of my part, then it's gonna change with the size of the image. So yeah, I hope this helped. Your image is still gonna stay back in here if you ever want to go back to it, and you can always get the item ID again from it. And hope this helped. Bye.